Hello my friends. Welcome to Live Life channel. Live Life is all about beauty tip, healthcare for both man and women. It also provide various useful tips about lifestyle. Here you can learn how increase brightness of your skin, how remove acne, get rid of dark circles, reduce hair fall and keep the hair shiny and strong. Here you also learn about general health tips, like how to lose your extra weight, become strong mentally and physically, and learn about sex health tips for both gender. Friends, I wish you will see my videos. If you think my information are useful and informative, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell button to get our new videos firstly. And share our videos with your friends to get them a chance for watching our channel Live Life. So friends, stay with Live Life. Keep your life alive.